want to show you mine. I want to show you a craft. It's when you color with crayon on a piece of paper, not printer paper though, because it won't work as well. And then you cover it over with oil.
So you just brush the oil over the crayon?
No, also over the paper.
Okay. What does the oil do to the paper?
The oil makes the paper translucent.
Oh. So then what do you do?
Then what I do is I take it, and I don't really care about this part. I care about the oil part. Because watch as how it flows out of that design when it touches the window and how it sticks. If you didn't see it, I'll do it again.
Oh wow, look at the oil spreading out behind it.
It makes it act like a firework. And then it's kind of like one of those finger games when you press at one place, the oil will follow. Watch.
Very nice. Thank you, Harper.
That is the crayon oil craft.
Nice. Thank you.